Okay, welcome back to a brand new video. Oh shit. My bike is in here. There's the wheels and seat post. I think the bars are somewhere in there. Oh yeah, there's the bars. But yeah, this is the bike, so I'm gonna quickly get this out now. And I got some new parts inside the house. And we're gonna just do some final more stripping, and then we're gonna put the new parts on. So let's go. That brush over there, I don't know if you can see it, got like little scraping things on it. So basically I put some more paint strip on it, and I'm just going to let it sit for a bit. But the paint looks a lot weaker now, and there's not really that much more to go, just especially that bit. It's looking really gloopy, so I think it's going to come off once I come back. So I'm going to leave that for 5 minutes. Similar to Hope disc, it's a little bit different. See, it's got those things on it. Hopefully it don't snap. I got that full disc to screw on. Then I've got this chain ring, because my chain ring is really bent. I've needed this for a while now. It's like a sexy colour as well. So putting the chain ring on and all this stuff. So I'll be back with you when I'm about to go ride, so my bike will be done. Let's go. Because I'm going to London today, I decided I'm just going to leave the chroming for another day, because it's nearly done now anyway. But I'm going to put a new chain ring on right now.
Yo, ayy, bitch, ayy, yo, ayy. Ooh, sticks out the window, bitch, yo, ayy, bitch, sticks out the window. Ooh, sticks what I smoke in the wood, it's a stendo. Ooh, bricks out the bando. Ooh, bricks in the milk, get delivered to the front door. Ooh, sticks out the window. Ooh, sticks what I smoke in the wood, it's a stendo. Ooh, bricks out the bando. Ooh, bricks in the milk, get delivered to the front door. Ayy, jump out the drop top. Ooh, jump off the Porsche, then I started selling crack rocks. I got the beam with the fat rock. Ayy, bean, so I make sure that the motherfucker top drop. Ooh, lean in a 3-cup. Yeah, lean what I sell when I finna spot some tree up. And my shooter got the freeze up. Ooh, aim it at a nigga and I bet that nigga freeze up. Got a check, got the blingo. Ooh, stay with the smoke like a nigga stuck in wind.
Basically, I've finished doing it now. And as you can see, the bike is all put together. So I've decided I'm going to buy a new bottom bracket, because I've already got paint on it. I'm going to get this stripped again by myself. Get some new cranks, new bottom bracket, and then it should all be good. So let's do a little check.
With that bitch, if I didn't know, she ate my dick, yeah, she goggled on the white stuff. Ooh, sticks out the window. Ooh, sticks what I smoke in the wood, it's a stendo. Ooh, bricks out the bando. Ooh, bricks in the milk, get delivered to the front door. Ooh, sticks out the window. Ooh, sticks what I smoke in the wood, it's a stendo. Ooh, bricks out